You know exactly that you are the Forex trader. That's why you call yourself a trader. You have the knowledge that it takes for you to make profit out of the Forex market. But what is that hindering you is that you don't have the startup capital. You don't have $1,000 to fund your account. You don't have 2,000, 3,000. You don't even have 500 to fund your account. And now these things, they are the ones that are in your way to become one of the profitable traders and the rich traders around the world. But when you're telling people that you have the knowledge of trading, they don't wanna believe you. You have been looking up and down for some money on the internet, looking for people to fund for you, looking for people who can help you, give you probably loans or something. Because you are looking for the money that can help you start up, fund a Forex account, and then start generating profit with your trading knowledge that you have. But what guys, if this video might just change the way you think, guys. What if there is a way forward that was provided within this video that can help you get an account like a $25 funded account for absolutely free and you don't have to pay anything? These things might sound buggy, they might sound like bluffing, but actually these things really work. You can receive a $25 out of nowhere, then you start trading, receiving profit of 80 shares every month or every time you want to withdraw. And that's a lifetime trading account that you have just earned because you have earned this account with your trading knowledge that you possess. I'm going to show you guys few steps. I'm going to show you probably 3 steps. And these 3 steps are going to be 3 options too. You only have 1 option here, or maybe you can take 2, but not 3 of them. You know that you are a trader and you have got the guts to jump into a competition of 10,000 people trading to get something out of that. And you want to fall within 10 top people who can trade within this website, guys, or this prop firm. And then, guys, you can just get funded with $25 for free without even doing anything, without even spending a $10 or $1 or something. Isn't that cool, just receiving that $25,000 funded account just because you have gained it with the knowledge that you have gained in the trading industry? If you have what it takes, guys, I want you to watch this video all the way to the end, because I want to give you those 3 options that you should probably make 2 of them or 1. If you think you want to be a trader and yet you don't really have the guts, probably you don't have the right trading strategy that can equip you to be one of the Forex trader, the best ones here. I also recommended you a book that I wrote myself when I was down doing nothing but always watching people trading and trading all these accounts, trading all these demo accounts from 10 USD to 1 million, proving myself that I have the knowledge, but nobody wanted to fund for me. I write that book. I have the book on Amazon. I priced the book as little as $9.99 and everybody can afford it. Why did I make it so cheap as that? Because I know I've struggled and everybody's struggling still. We have 3 options that I want to give you right here on this website or on this prop firm. This is a prop firm which is called Finding You. It's findingyou.club. But there's something I want to explain for you guys. Just give me some minutes to explain something for you. This is not a motivational video or something else. I'm trying to give you the information that you need, because it seems like you are losing hope on your dreams to become a profitable trader. You are losing hope because nobody's listening to you, not even your family, not even your siblings. Nobody is listening to you when you are telling them that you know how to trade and you can trade. So I'm giving you 3 options. This website here is offering only 2 options, but I'm going to add you another 3rd option. So the first option is you to buy a trading challenge from this broker. You can buy a free challenge of 10 USD or 25 USD, guys. with less than 100, and then you can trade and you can also fail this challenge. But that's why I don't recommend you buying it if you cannot afford it, because you cannot afford anything right now. All you need to do is go with a free account that you can receive if you jump into a competition that I'm going to explain to you right now. And the third option is, if you think you don't have the balls right now, you don't have the strategy, you cannot call yourself a trader because you really don't have that guts that is possessed by all traders around the world who call themselves real traders. They have profitable strategies that are helping them make money consistently. But if you cannot even make a $10 a week or something or a day, you are not a profitable trader. And you cannot call yourself so. So the third option I give you, if you want one of my strategy, that's why I send you signals on the group when I feel like, because I know you guys, some of you have some funded account, but you don't even know how to enter a trade. I give you signals on group using my book that I wrote there, and my book is right in the link, the video description. I give it the list price. It's not almost like looking for money there, but just giving out the knowledge, guys. Hopefully you have been in the way I was when I was broke and always looking for everything. Googling the internet for somebody to fund me, messaging these other people, these traders, but they don't even care who you are. They don't even read your messages on Instagram. You want them to give you something like a funded account or something so you can earn and maybe divide profit, but nobody's listening to you. You have been looking for somebody to manage their accounts, but people don't have the will to give you accounts to manage because they don't trust you. But what if you can just tap your hands into this $25 account, guys? This is absolutely free and don't have to pay anything. All you have to pay is your knowledge. Let me show you guys how it takes and what it takes for you to join this fundingyou.com competition. All you wanna do right now is just gonna click apply here, guys. But before we apply, let's just read few information because it might be really helpful. If we understand this whole $25 giveaway account for people who can trade with at least top 10 people who can trade and receive the profit that they really need. As you can see right now, I'm just clicking apply, and then after clicking apply, I'm just gonna read for you few information, guys. There's also a video that you can also watch here, guys. The videos were meant for you to understand before you join. As you can see here, you apply, it's actually for free, and you get a demo account, which is a 10K demo account. Then this demo account, you're gonna get it every first of the month, and you can trade that demo account as long as you make enough profit, more than other traders. You make profits within a 10 position, then you can receive this $25 challenge. The $25 challenge is actually nothing difficult. You can also trade this one and make the profit that they are requiring here, guys. The information right there is how it works here. They have told you that every month the Funding You team randomly select traders to participate in the Funding You free program. All selected traders begin together, each with a $10,000 demo account or demo challenge, with the opportunity of earning a free 25 USD funding. This is a challenge account that you earn. You have to pass the demo challenge first. Then you have to pass that funding challenge. After you pass the demo in the top 10, then these guys are going to give you a 25 challenge account that people are buying there for a lot of money, but you receive it for free here because you've proven that you have the knowledge and the guts to earn this $25 challenge, guys. And after you pass this $25 challenge, and that's also, there is also call it a verification challenge, then you get access to a 25 USD of capital for free. This 25 USD capital for free, guys, you can trade it unlimited, and you can make unlimited money for unlimited time as long as this problem still exists. The information are given right here. As you can see here, they have few they have few really terms and conditions that will trigger you if you think you really don't know anything. So they are saying here the profit target step 1 is just actually within 30 days, and the profit target is 1,000, which I can even make within a week, guys. That's the 10,000 account, which is actually just a demo. And as you can see right here, guys, they're giving you information that the profit target of phase 2, which is 60 days, is actually just $1,000. But actually here we are not going to look for phase 2s, because we are just going to enter this demo, and then we get a funding you challenge. After a challenge, then we get our $25, and that's all we need to live life, guys. As you can see here, guys, the leverage is 1 to 100, which is quite enough. The minimum and maximum loss here, the maximum loss here, guys, is 1,000. If you lose 1,000, that means you cannot trade. How can you lose 1,000 out of 50,000 account? That proves that you don't know how to trade and you need some improvement. The maximum daily loss is 500. If you lose 500 a day, then just leave and wait for another day. If you lose another 500 tomorrow, then that proves that you are not ready. So you need some knowledge. So they are giving you a minimum trading days of 10 days on these two challenges. But on a account here, on a live trading account, once you get that, guys, you actually don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just trade. You make money, you withdraw, you receive 70% profit share. That means if you get paid 25,000 trading account, and then that month you trade and you receive a profit of 10,000, that means your split profit is going to be 7,000, and the profit will only receive 30,000. Only receive 3,000 from your 10,000 profit. Isn't that cool? And if they realize that you are a good trader, they can scale you up to 50,000, 100,000, even up to 30 million. They've said that within this description out here. Let's just look at the process of application, guys, without wasting time, because you want to actually understand the information that is contained within this Funding You Pro film. The Funding You Free program is looking for serious trader only. Please do not apply unless you understand proprietary trading and the goal of free program. We are looking to fund talented traders that either cannot afford a challenge or simply do not want to pay the fees associated with the proprietary trading. Due to the extremely high demand of our free program, we only have limited numbers of spots per month. After you apply once, your information will be saved for the new selection of traders for the next 3 months. Feel free to apply every 3 months. So you are going to apply today right now because you want to take part in December competition. And if you didn't take part in December competition, you let December pass, January, February, and you are going to apply before March. You think, guys, this is taking long, but actually it's not long. What if you still all those time didn't get anything, didn't get anybody to fund you? What will you do? You waste time, guys. What I recommend you doing right now, guys, is to join this Funding You competition. If you feel this competition is a bit maybe tricky and you don't trust yourself, why don't you watch the other video that I was explaining to you how to receive a 300,000 funded account for free? It's almost the same thing. You guys are playing all over. You are not traders. You are trying to be traders. But what if you have the knowledge and you can just jump within this competition? I remember when I was joining this competition here, guys, I was absolutely behind. I was coming at position 50, and we are even sometimes 10,000, position 50. And I realized I was coming up to position 10. And you guys think this type of things are useless. You can do this, guys, and I'm sure if you are really a trader by heart, you can actually just acquire this $25,000 trading account for absolutely free and don't need to pay anything, guys. I might have talked a lot in this video, guys. I might have annoyed you, make a lot of noise or nonsense words I've said within this video, but this is actually reality. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any comment, just give me a comment down in the comment discussion, guys, and see you again on the next video.